Look at the serious stuff that Hannah and Hadassah got today. Show your pen. Hannah, look at her pen. Beautiful, friends. See? Yeah. You like it? Is it fun? So this one is for sponge. I like it because it's just 110 yen. So less than $1. So maybe, ano lang to be, 30 pesos. Basta mura lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one. For washing the dishes, right? 7 colors. What else? For the water of Hadassah, she likes blue. And Hannah, she likes, what's it? Bears. Then, trash bags. Let's look. What else? I need to make like cards, personalized cards or customized cards. So, I will paint in front of the cards. Just small cards, babe. Parang 3-inch lang. 3-inch by 2-inch. Trash bag. So, what else? Trash bag mo lang dun yung trash bag. Ito, I'm using this for their like certificates. Let's keep it so that it will not be gone. Okay, organize natin. I'm hiding this from David because the kids, Hadassah and Hannah need this sometimes. So, kasi masisira. Yung isang ganito, ginalaw niya. So, I think you put water on this, no? Ito pa, cute siya. So, magagamit natin yan. So, yan. Let's give this to David tonight. See, he is climbing. See? He went here now. He keeps on climbing there. It's not allowed. He is the naughtiest in the whole world. Oh my gosh. He's so happy he went in. Hindi na pwede. Alam mo, gatekeeper ako dyan. I'm the gatekeeper. Sometimes I feel like the whole day my job is to just be a gatekeeper. How can I cook if he's like, diba? Earlier I was cooking. Yeah. Super, busy. You will cook and he's crying, right? Oh, I will put him back here. Look at him. His goal is to come back. Now, his area is like here. I put it there so that if he falls down, there's what's that called? Protection. Hi! We love you. Take care. Whoa! 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 Take out him. Take out. Kala mo Whoa! Whoa! Nagindog na ako dito. Ayaw ko nga. No! I'll get that here. Oh, tinapon. Why are you always holding this? You're funny. She gave this Monday to me. I'm so happy. Thank you, David. Did you saw it? Thank you. David, say, Mama. Mama. Ayaw nito magsabi ng mama eh. Okay, we love you, beautiful friends. Good night. Ay, nasa na yung Ay, bumababa na naman.